Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back at it again with another hair video, and in this video we are doing a wig install, y'all. And when I tell you this wig gave me a run for my monies, but I bought this wig off of Amazon. It's not sponsored. I did go ahead and buy it with my own coin. And I actually love the end result. I truly do. But this is a little bag that it came in. Most of these wigs always come into this little bag. I don't know if it's Riley's store, release, whatever it is. I'm not too sure. But I will make sure if it's not on my Amazon storefront, somebody let me know because I be forgetting to update that. But I want to make sure I stay on top of that and updating that for you guys. But this is a highlighted ombre lace front human hair wig. It's pre-plucked. It was 13 by 4 and it was apparently HD transparent lace. I don't know how HD it was, but the wig was cute. It came with these lashes and of course 2 wig caps. We love when they come with wig caps out. At this point I'm growing like a little teeny like collection of wig caps. I'm not mad at it because sometimes before I would always be missing the daggone wig cap. Like I would always need one and have to run to the store to go get a wig cap. So I absolutely love that these companies are sending the hair with the wig cap. But as you can see, it honestly was a pretty color. Like I was not mad at the color. I want to go like full like honey blonde. So I'm trying to like ease my way in there. I have done a blonde wig before though, so it's not like I haven't done blonde before, but I really wanted to try like a honey blonde. But I've never installed like a blonde wig start to finish by myself, and y'all, it was a lot. But I'm showing you the wig. The construction of it came with 3 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, and it came with these elastic bands. And you can see me struggling. I was trying to take it off so I could show you, and then I'm like dang near struggling to get the daggone thing off. So look, once you snap these things on your head is secure, girl. It is not coming off anywhere. But yes, I was just showing you the application of it. If you want to know more about the wig and details, make sure to check the description box and my Amazon storefront. I actually will update it, I promise. But if I don't, remind me. Okay, thanks. But yeah, let's get into this video now. This is the part where your girl messed up. So as you can see, I'm starting off with doing my wig cap. Well, I've already did my wig cap and I'm gluing down the wig, right? But I did not like measure the wig, cut the ear tabs off, none of that. Like I don't know what possessed me to forget to do that step, but I did not remember to do that step, y'all. I did not remember to do that step. So I'm just trying to blow the lace. I did let it dry a little bit, and I'm just trying to just do other stuff, y'all. I should have probably edited this part out, but I forgot. So it's in there. I was trying to film a TikTok. I actually did film the TikTok. The TikTok is already up. So as you can see, me trying to get those clips for that TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, go ahead and follow me on TikTok. But look, right here, this part right here. This is where I remember that I forgot to do it. You saw that face that I made? I forgot to cut the ear tabs off. So I was like trying to like, okay, well, let's just do it now. Like, let's just do it now. But it was a lot. So I forgot what the heck I was looking for. Oh, I was looking for a comb. So I went ahead and just put the wig down. I was like, okay, well, we're already here now. And the reason why it's important, like, to measure the wig before you glue it, because I had, like, I don't know what I did, but the hairline on the wig was shorter, like further back than the cap that I put on. So because it was already glued, like I couldn't adjust it. And I was trying to adjust it, y'all. I was trying to adjust it as I was going through with the video. You see me just trying to figure it out, y'all. I'm trying to film. I'm like, we halfway committed now. Let's just get it together. Let's figure it out. We're just gonna keep it pushing, keep it going. So that's what I did. You see me I cut way too much off on that side. I don't know what was, see, like, as you can see, like, that's right where the glue was. So I don't know what possessed me to cut all that off, but now we're trying to, like, okay, I was going to do a middle part, right? Well, actually, no, I wasn't going to do a middle part. I don't know why. Oh, I remember. I don't remember why I started doing middle part, because the style that I ended up doing at the end was the style that I was initially going to do to begin with. So I really don't know why I started off with the middle part now that I think about it. But for whatever reason, I was about to put this in the middle part. Girl, I was about to put this in the middle part. So now I'm just trying to cut this lace off. And look, as you can see, it's just not cooperating. Like, I don't know what was going on with this section right here. Look, I think I cut way too much off. There was too much cap. So now I'm trying to cut the cap, like the cap that was like where you see me picking at right there, that's where the cap was. So I had to try to cut that off. But then the daggone wig wasn't glued to nothing no more because we took the cap off. So I'm in shambles. I'm like, okay, well, let me just keep going. Like at this point, we're halfway committed. Like we gonna see it through. Like we gotta see it to the end at this point. So I'm just trying to clean off the areas that the old cap was to try to cut that off. And I'm like, I hate the way the side parts were, but I'm like, we here now. So this is me trying to glue it down, but there was like no, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like that right there, what I'm trying to glue down is pretty much the cap. Like, normally when you lay down your wig, you have a little bit of lace above, like in front of the cap, and that's what sticks to your skin for real, for real. And yeah, I did not do that on that little piece. And as you can see, the side was just looking crazy. But I'm like, whatever. We're here. We're gonna commit to it. So I put down these like the little like melt strips or whatever. I put that down and I was like, okay, we're just gonna have to keep it going. So I'm just trying my best to keep it going. I think I had some stuff to do this particular day too, y'all. So I'm like, we don't really got time. And I'm like trying to be cute, stressed out, y'all, stressed out. But I just decided to take it off and like look at this, look at it, look how bad it look. Look how bad that look. And so this is me trying to get frustrated. I was like, okay, maybe I could just hide the little side parts, hide where it's like not really cooperating that much, y'all, and just I don't know, y'all. I was trying to finesse it. Somebody had called me, y'all. Look at my dirty room. It's still dirty, y'all. I have to clean it. I'm about to clean it today. I gotta get my life together. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna clean it. Whatever. That's not a part. That's not important. Look at this. Yeah, I was stressed. I was like, okay, we're just gonna cut that off, maybe. But then I'm like, okay, well, now it's like not glue. Like none of this wig is glued to my head, y'all. I was getting so freaking frustrated. Okay, clean it off, put it back on, take it off. Like I was like, let me just spray a little bit more and put the elastic band back down. So that's what I'm doing now. Just taking my even spray, spraying that down. And I was like, okay, let's just do it again. Like let's just spray down again, put the wig band back on, put the lace band back on. I said wig band. Put the little wrap thing back on, put the elastic band back on, and try to do it again. And y'all, it wasn't working. So this is like the next day. And I was like, this is not going to work for me. This isn't cute. I don't like it. I don't want it. And I'm the type of person, y'all, if I'm not happy with something, y'all, it will eat me up. It will eat me up until I get happy. Like, if I don't like something, I will be so upset that I don't like it. Like, I'll be trying my best to like it, trying my best to go through the motions, but if I don't like it, I don't like it. So, this is me the next day, like in the middle of the night. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I like, not this part, but 1 o'clock in the morning, I ripped the wig off and I took the wig cap off, and I'm like, we're starting over. And you know how crazy it was? There was no, like, this is how you know there was no lace on the no glue, like the lace wasn't glued down to nothing, because when I took the wig off, there was no glue residue on the wig at all. Only in like little spots. That's how you, like, she was not about to stay down. She was not about to stay down at all. So I was like, okay, we're gonna redo this. And then I was struggling, y'all. I don't think I put my contacts in when I had did this part, so girl could barely see. But I was trying to, no, I think I did put my contacts in. Yeah, I did. I was still struggling though, I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm like, okay, let's do this wig cap all over again. I was so mad because the first wig cap that I did, that was the best that I probably ever did a wig cap. And I was like, dang it, this wig, I just knew that the wig was about to be slated and dated because that was the best I've ever did the ball cap method. Like, I was like, whatever, but I am getting better at it, so I guess no complaints. I guess no complaints. So this time, I think I decided to try the wig back on to make sure that there was no like everywhere that the lace was going to hit, I had the cap, and like it wasn't covering it too much where the wig could still stay down. Like I was like, let me measure that, let me do that. So I cut anywhere that needed to be cut so that the wig could fit. I actually had to, like, the wig was actually too small. I'm not gonna lie. So I had to, I don't think I filmed it, like really showed you guys what I was doing, because I was so over it, so focused. But the back part of the wig, like where the lace attaches to like the cap of like the wig itself, I had cut like a little sliver in the back just so that way the front of the lace would go over my wig cap because it wasn't like going down. And I think that was what my problem was the first time. Like had I had just done this step that I just did now, I think I probably would have been better. Like it wouldn't have been too bad the first time. So that's what I did. Then I wiped my face off and I was like, okay, we're gonna glue this thing back on again. So now you just see me repeating the process that you saw at the beginning, except you guys didn't see me do the ball cap method at the beginning. So I guess you get a little bit of that, like a complete start to finish type of ordeal, because I had to do it all over. We had to take it off. We had to take it off and do it all over. So I'm in a whole new outfit. That's how you know. I was like, it's not gonna work. I was going to use that little thing because I think I saw somewhere. I don't know. I was watching somebody's YouTube channel. Whose YouTube channel was I watching? I can't remember. It's one of those girlies that be slaying the slaying the wigs. I can't remember which one it was, but I was watching one of them. And they said not to blow dry it and to like kind of let it air dry. But I had stuff to do, so I was like, okay, we gonna have to blow dry it. Let's just blow dry it on cool. And then as you can see, I didn't even wait for it to fully get clear because like I had stuff to do, y'all. I was like, I had stuff to do. I think I was working from home low key this day. Oh no, this same day I ended up having to go into the office before I could even finish the wig, y'all. Like it was a mess. Yo, when I tell you it was a mess, it was a mess. Actually, no. Was it this day or it was probably the day before? I think it was the day before when I was wearing the other outfit. I had to go into the office. So I couldn't. Yep, that's another reason why I was so upset because I had to go into the office like that. I had to just put a little headband on my head just to make it into the office, girl, child. We was going through it. But like I cut off anything that did not need to be there, cut it off. I was like, I'm not doing that this time. Cut it off. If it don't need to be there, there's no wig cap, cut it off. So that's what you see me doing now, like really trying to like customize the wig, and it's looking better already. Like you saw that white like cast shadow thing at the beginning of this video. Like it is looking so much better already. I was super duper excited, super duper happy with the outcome. So then I just decided to now I'm trying to straighten it. So this is where I was like trying to pick how I want to do my style. This is what I initially wanted to do. I had wanted to do, I think it's gonna you're gonna see it in the thumbnail, this like side part thing that I had saw trending. I was like, oh, that is so cute. I definitely want to do it. Um, I'm still trying to customize this wig, y'all. We was going when I tell you I was going through with this wig, I was like, okay, maybe I won't do the side part. Maybe I'll put it up, do half up, half down. I was like, never mind. No, we're gonna do the side part and we're gonna cut the bang because this is what I had said I was gonna do. We're gonna commit to it now. So you just see me trying to like pull out the hair to be able to cut the bang. I was like, I wasn't sure how much hair I should pull out, but I was like, okay, I guess that's all right. I guess that works. I don't know. The only thing that I did not like necessarily that I did was this part right here. So I put like the wax stick on like the roots of the wig, and I just felt like it made it so like yucky. I don't know how to better explain like how it made it feel, but like after the fact, like it wasn't so flowy because it felt like it was like pretty much like just what a wax like stick does. Like it was stiff, like the but the whole head wasn't stiff. It was just the part where I put the wax stick at, and I felt like it was too much. Almost like wanted to wash it out a little bit, and like, but it did get it flat. So I was like, okay, it did the job it needed to do. Like, I mean, I guess, but I think the style came out cute in the end. So I guess no complaints. Like I guess we can't really complain because we really turned this hair around. Like we really turned it around. So I'm just straightening my hair. I honestly don't know why I left all of this in here. And the crazy part about it, this part was sped up. I really did speed this part up. And it's still so much in there. Like me straightening it. I was so concentrated too, girl. I was so concentrated. I was like, we gonna figure this out today. We is gonna figure this out today. I commend the hair influencers that are already well established, that's gone through probably all of these same struggles before, because your girl was stressed. She was stressed. She was trying to figure it out. And I was like, how? It's not making sense. It's not making sense. But yeah, so I kind of skipped most of me straightening. Actually, no, I think I still had the other half of my head to straighten. I don't think I filmed me straightening that part of it. I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but I'm trying to get to the next clip without stopping the voiceover and starting it again. So that, yeah, that's what the problem is here. That is what the problem is here. But I'm legit almost done, and I don't think I didn't film me straightening the other. Actually, I think I did a little bit. Did I? I don't even know. I don't even know no more. I guess we both gonna find out because I don't even know. And the crazy part is I was just watching this. Like you would think that I know and I don't. But yeah, so as you can see, the top she was flat. We got her flat down. But I don't know if you could see, like, yeah, can you tell like how the back is like really kind of like flowing? The top is like a little stringy. Is that the best word for it? That's not the best word for it. I was jamming. I was jamming. Sorry, guys. I forget what I was listening to too because I muted this clip, but yeah. So I still had the other part to straighten. So I think I know I straightened most of. There we go. I straightened most. Oh, I just left the first like the last little one out, and then we're about to get started cutting this bang, y'all. Me cutting the bangs. Listen, me cutting the bangs like stress me out every single time. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Now I'm pulling out the hair in the front. I love like I didn't go too far back. I was trying to do it like little thin. I didn't want it like stringy, like a stringy bang, but I didn't want like a really full, really thick bang either. And this bang gave me a run for my money too, because I low key cut it a little too long, but I was scared because I didn't want to cut it too short. So, and then also I think because I had like put the wax stick on it and it was super like as you can see, like it's standing up. It was super stuck. And like so I'm trying my best. Like I'm like y'all, we were struggling like this video was a struggle, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was a struggle. But I think the bang came out cute. Like it was cute, but it was way too long here. So I'm like, okay, let me cut it down a little bit more. Let me just snip, and then I could barely see while I'm trying to cut it. So I was like, okay, I don't want to cut too much. I don't want to cut too little. So let's keep trying. Let's keep making it a little shorter and shorter. And like honestly, as I was doing it, like as I'm watching this, I can see that I was actually cutting stuff. But when I was in the motions of it, it felt like I wasn't cutting nothing. Like I was like, is it getting any shorter? It's not getting any shorter at all. Like at all. But I was like, okay, F it. We just gonna have to go with this. And then I'm like doing a little baby hair on the side because I was like, oh, maybe that'd be a little cute with the little baby hair on the side. I was like, I forgot the mousse. So I said, hold on. And I went and got the mousse and then I curled that up with my little curling. Actually, I think I used my big one because that's what I had plugged in. But then I just did the little side. I am not the best with baby hair, but I'm getting better, y'all. I'm actually proud of myself. Your girl is getting a little bit better with this baby hair game. Like the girlies that can slay them baby hairs, I commend you because we would struggle a little bit. But I was like, this is the best we're gonna get. Y'all got the best out of me with this. So I just kind of blow dried it to try to get the baby hair to stay down. That I had cut in there. And then I was like, okay, let me just lay it down because I felt like it was poking out too much. And that's where right here. So I was like, dang, I think I cut it I think it's still too long. And I might have tried, yep. I tried to cut it shorter because I was like, I can't see. Like it's in my eyeball. Like it's poking me in the eye. Like at this point. So I was trying to like cut at least the middle section of that down. It was a lot. But I finally took it off. So this is me taking it off. I probably left it off maybe like a good 5 minutes. And that one little piece right there was bothering me. Like I can see, like y'all see it sticking up. Like but from the front, it don't look too bad. But from the side, it was irritating me. But that was it, y'all. We did it. I decided to cut a little bit of layers in it. I don't know what I was doing. So I was like, maybe I should just give it some body, not body, but some layers into the sides of it. I think it came out so cute. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the little fam over here, y'all. We just hit 500 subscribers. I'm so excited. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.